So here we are given this the mileages for this truck under two conditions. So city, it's 10 miles per gallon. You can write either. Sometimes it's better for visualization. And then highway is 25 miles per gallon. Question is, what's the miles per gallon that the truck averages when it's driven 20 miles in the city and 30 miles on the highway? So this, to find the combined mileage for these questions, is you figure out the total mileage and then divide by total gallons of gas used. And here the total mileage is 20 plus 30. And the gallons used here would be you divide the distance by the miles per gallon, and this would be in gallon. So 2 gallons here. Here we'd have the same thing, 30 divided by 25, which is 6/5. So the total amount would be 2 plus 6/5. So this is what we need to compute. 50 divided by 16/5, which would be 50 times 5 over 16. Let me make sure. Yeah, 2 times 8, 25. So 125 over 8. 8 times. And if you note, the question says closest. So we know it will be an approximation. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. So about 15.6. The closest is 16. Answer is A. One other comment I want to make about this question in the context of the exam is, when I saw this question, I immediately knew this is an easy question. And so when I noticed that, I'm just going to try to do this as quickly as possible, maybe 20, 25 seconds, because I know that the time that I'm going to save here is what's going to help me for the harder question. So I think that's why it's important to kind of have seen some similar questions. And this has been on the exam in different formats or variations. And that's where I think practice is really important, to be able to recognize these questions and what needs to be done. So to summarize, the answer is A.